To log in, click the Login button, enter your email, and input the 6-digit code sent to your email. To update your profile, click the Profile button on the upper right, then select Profile. To add name, click pencil icon, and enter your name and hit Save. To add an address, click Add button and enter your address details and hit Save. To visit the store, click Shop in the upper left. To make a purchase, select the item you want to buy and click Add to Cart. To view your cart, click the cart icon in the upper right, then select View Cart. Review your cart, then click Checkout to proceed. Review your account delivery details. Select a payment method: cash on delivery, bank deposit, or Gcash. Review your billing address. If it's different from your shipping address, select Use a different billing address. Review all details, then click Complete Order to finish your purchase. Check the payment details. An email will be sent to you with your purchase details. Visit www.tacticalasia.com